Why are some rich people unhappy, while ordinary people live happily? The answer isn't money, it's psychology. Today, let's learn life-changing money lessons. Lesson 1. Wealth is built slowly, not instantly. Tiny actions repeated daily create massive results. Money grows like a tree. It needs patience. Rush the process and you destroy growth. Looking rich is different from being rich. Expensive things often hide empty bank accounts. Real wealth is usually invisible. You only see the spending, not the saving. Ignore appearances. Focus on long-term freedom. Money always moves up and down. Fear makes people sell at the worst time. Patience often beats intelligence. Time is every investor's greatest advantage. Small gains become huge through compounding. Consistency always defeats intensity. The secret isn't speed, it's staying invested. Self-control creates financial freedom. Master your emotions before your money. Every dollar saved buys future choices. Every purchase shapes your future. Next, discover why luck and risk shape every fortune. Success is never only about skill. Luck helps some people reach success faster. Risk can change everything in seconds. Never compare your journey with someone else's. Everyone climbs a different financial mountain. Always prepare for unexpected problems. Savings protect you when life surprises you. Money should help you sleep better. Owning more doesn't always bring peace. Stickmen happily spending time with family while ignoring work notifications. Time is life's most valuable currency. Money's greatest value is freedom. Live below your means whenever possible. Saving today creates opportunities tomorrow. Invest in knowledge before luxury. Knowledge pays lifelong dividends. Small habits beat big promises. Success comes from consistency. Don't let headlines control your decisions. Markets recover more often than emotions. Wealth is built one step at a time. Big achievements begin with small actions. Progress matters more than perfection. Now, let's discover the most powerful money lesson of all. The richest person isn't always the happiest. More money can't solve every problem. Real wealth is enjoying the life you build. Balance is worth more than endless chasing. Always ask if you're chasing the right goal. Don't let society define your success. Control money, don't let money control you. Build a plan that fits your own life. Ignore distractions and stay consistent. Great fortunes begin with tiny decisions. Your future self will thank today's choices. Time multiplies money better than effort alone. Avoid shortcuts that promise instant wealth. Slow progress beats reckless speed. Discipline is your greatest financial shield. Helping others often creates lasting success. Money has its greatest value when shared wisely. Keep learning. Knowledge compounds too. Your habits create your financial future. Success belongs to those who keep going. Money is more about behavior than intelligence. Master these lessons and you'll master your money.
The best day to improve your finances is today. Remember, wealth grows through patience, discipline, and smart decisions. Follow for more life-changing lessons.